guys, welcome to Emmy Powered Life. If you're new around here, I'm Emmy, and in this channel I share my adult braces journey. 2 weeks ago I had to go to the dentist and change things around because one of my brackets has fallen off. That bracket over there on the right side, and you know what? It has fallen off before and I totally forgot about it. In one of my videos I shared I'm gonna start eating more with my right side because apparently eating stimulates more movement on your teeth. And you know what? I completely forgot why I stopped doing it. I started using my left side quite more often because a few weeks in my treatment.
Guys, I'm honestly so bummed because today is exactly 1 week since I got this beautiful braces. But here is what happened.
That bracket, that same bracket, not that exact same, but the bracket on that tooth has fallen down. And that was because on that tooth over there, I kind of have a dent, and that disables the bracket from being secure. I was eating some crunchy snacks, which I felt more comfortable at this stage, eating crunchy snacks. But all of a sudden, I'm eating these crisps, and I just crunched something that I know for sure it's not a crisp. And I'm like, what the heck? Please tell me it's not one of my brackets. And I just take it out of my mouth and I see it was a bracket. It was a bracket. It's like 6:30 in the afternoon. I call my dentist right away and I'm like, I need to get this bracket fixed ASAP. Because it was one that was critical for my treatment. I was really lucky and managed to get an appointment for the very next day at 8:30 a.m. So this orthodontist that saw me, she's part of the same team as my regular orthodontist. So she knew my process. She was like, yeah, no worries, I know what I'm doing. She placed a new bracket and actually she changed my elastic scheme around.
So guys, over here we have elephant, and over here we have gorilla. Gonna put one of these elephant elastics on the left. And on the right side, we're gonna make it go from the canine to the very last bracket.
So she made a triangle over there with elephant elastics to really make sure that I'm closing my bite and at the same time I'm having that shifting movement of my teeth. And then on that side she actually used the gorilla elastics to go from there to as well create a shifting and closing movement. So the weaker elastics went on that side as my left side doesn't need as much work as the right. But yeah, you know what? I am actually quite happy with this new elastic game because I do feel like it's making a difference. In a few days time I'm gonna have my 9th month appointment and I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring you guys with me because I'm really looking forward to what my orthodontist has to say. She's actually gonna go on maternity leave after this appointment, so it's gonna be my last appointment with her, and then I'm gonna change orthodontist for someone else in her team. So I'm excited to see who else is gonna follow my journey. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.